So this is just to show the improvements on my PWM fuel pump controller. This is the module itself, the PWM controller. It takes 12 volts, pressure from a fuel pressure sensor on the rail, and it outputs a PWM signal that can be used to drive a fuel pump directly, or it can be used to drive another fuel pump driver module that some cars have from factory. On this case, we are using fuel pump driver module from Ford Focus ST, which is that one down there. There you can find the fuel pump. The fuel pump output coming from the ECU will activate this module to tell the module if the fuel pump needs to be activated or not. This yellow wire that you see in here is the one that is getting the signal from the fuel pressure sensor. By the way, this is my Volkswagen Lupo 1.4 engine, 16 valves with individual throttle bodies, and this is also my track car, as you can see, and it is my test car as well, where I test all sorts of shit. In here we are stealing 5 volts from the TPS wire to the fuel pump, the fuel pressure sensor. This is just a temporary install. This is just for testing purposes. And by the way, if you are doing this at home, please don't do it like me. We should not play with fuel, and under pressure this can be very dangerous, so you better take care. I'm not the best person to give an example, but whatever. So here we have a fuel pressure gauge. In here we are measuring the voltage output from the sensor. Now we're gonna prime the fuel pump. Started. It went to 2 point something volts, and here you see the pressure now is close to 2 bar of pressure. Now we can start the car, and we're gonna see that the voltage will go up. Here we can see the fuel pressure, and if I accelerate a little bit, you see that the fuel pressure doesn't drop. Oh well, need to be careful with the wipers. Yeah, basically the fuel sensor will send the signal to the module. The module will read the signal and will increase or decrease the PWM signal to control the fuel pump speed, so it keeps the pressure always close to what we set up. Okay, this is just a small demonstration. This is just the first test.